Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Adobe XD for UI design files, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe XD and locate the UI design file you want to backup. Choose the menu icon in the upper left corner of the application. Click on the File option in the drop-down menu. Select Save as to create a copy of your project. In the dialog box that appears, navigate to the desired backup location on your computer. Rename the file if necessary to indicate that it is a backup version. Click Save to complete the process. Next, consider exporting your design assets for additional backup. Select the artboards or assets you wish to export. Go to the drop-down menu and choose File again. Click on Export and select the preferred export format. Choose either PNG, JPEG, or SVG based on your needs. Decide if you want to export all artboards or just selected assets. Specify the export location and click Export to save the files. To ensure your backups are secure, consider using cloud storage. Log into your preferred cloud storage service. Upload the saved Adobe XD file and any exported assets to the cloud. Periodically repeat the backup process after significant design changes. This ensures that you have the most up-to-date version of your work safely stored. Regular backups help protect against data loss and facilitate collaboration. Following these steps will ensure the safety of your UI design files in Adobe XD. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.